Hi, my name is Rebecca, and I want to show you how much I can sing. I'm only singing a little bit. Okay, here we go. It's the song you never sung. It's the story you never told. It's the life you never lived, and the book you never wrote. I'm the same girl who you said would make it anywhere. But you came to see me, but I won't let you in, 'cause I'm different now. I am not standing in your shadows anymore. I'm through with you. I can't hold it back. I can't hold how I feel. It's not me. And it's not me, 'cause I'm singing the song that you never sung. I'm telling the story that you never told. I'm living the life that you never lived. Writing a book that you never wrote. Being the girl who you always said wouldn't make it anyway. I'm living life the way I always wanted it to be, to be. 'Cause I'm living and living life the way I always wanted it. To be. Thank you for watching.